Hi, this is a two-part series. We have the Pi Transonic Model T S2 stereophone record player. There you go, part 2 coming up. I'll just put this on pause and I'll be back with a record in a moment. Welcome back. Alright, we're playing some vinyl now. We're going to go for number 4 track, I think. If I can get that right. Maybe not. Yep.
There she was, just walking down the street singing. Tapping her fingers and shuffling her feet singing. She looked good, she looked fine, she looked good, she looked fine, and I nearly lost my mind. Before I know it, she was walking next to me singing. Holding my hand just as natural as can be singing. We walk on to my door, we walk on to my door, then we kissed a little more. Oh, I knew we was falling in love. Yes, I did, and so I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. Now we're together nearly every single day singing. Oh, we're so happy, and that's how we're gonna stay singing. Well, I'm hurt, she's mine, I'm hurt, she's mine. Wedding bells are gonna chime. Oh, I knew we was falling in love. Yes, I did, and so I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. Now we're together nearly every single day singing. Oh, we're so happy, and that's how we're gonna stay singing.
There you go. Man for Man there with do-wah diddy diddy dum diddy doo.